Here we are going to discuss chapter number 7 and this is part 4th of the video. So let's begin. So now 2 questions are left here. Now look at the calendar of 2020. Also look for the present month and draw any similar square in your notebook. Does the magic work for these? So here you will take calendar of 2021. Okay. You will take calendar of this year 2021 and then you will look for the present month and draw a similar square in your notebook. Okay. Like we have done. We have made the above square. Okay. You can practice this at your home. This is a question that is for you. You can practice this in your rough notebook if you want. Okay. This you will do yourself. Next is this magic possible on a 10 into 10 number chart? Go to the chapter Fun with Numbers and check. So now we have to check this magic, this calendar magic on the 10 into 10 number chart, with the help of which we have done addition and subtraction. If you remember, in chapter number 3 we have done subtraction and addition with the help of a number chart from, that is 10 into 10 number chart. Okay, that started from 1 and end till 100. Okay, so here we have to do the calendar magic in that chart only. So let's see how we will do it. So this is how you will check in a 10 into 10 number chart. Okay, let's check with the 10 into 10 number chart. This is your number chart starting from 1 till 100. You must remember, okay, you must be remembering this from chapter number 3. We have done addition and subtraction based on this chart. So here now we are seeing the magic, if this magic work here or not. So yes, the magic works in a 10 into 10 number chart also. Okay, as you can see. So you will do it like this. You don't have to do it, you just understand it from here only. So yes, the magic works in a 10 into 10 number chart also. Okay. Now next page is more magic. So this is a calendar of March 2020. So a boy is saying I can add 5 numbers in the box in a moment. Oh, that will take some time. The total is 85. That's right. How did you do that? Simple. Just multiply the middle number by 5. See if this magic works for other lines which have 5 numbers. What about 5 numbers on a slanting line? Try this trick with your family and friends. Can you find other magic patterns in the calendar? So this is an activity. You will perform this at your home. Okay, you do as it is directed over here and then you can do it. So this is an activity that you will do yourself at your home. This is your homework. Next is complete the calendar. So here calendar is given to you for August 2020. So we will not do this. Okay, we will do the questions based, okay, and the questions are based, okay, the questions below are based on this calendar only. So what we will do, we will not use this calendar, we will use calendar of August 2021, okay, of the present year. So what we will do questions based on that calendar. So we will do it. Okay, next is find out which months in the calendar have 5 Sundays. So we have to tell which month in the calendar has 5 Sundays. Next is there any day in any month which comes 5 times? So can there be 6 Sundays in a month? Why? So these are the questions. These 3 questions are your homework. You will use your brain and you will do this question yourself. You will find it in the calendar. Okay, you can take help of the calendar. You have to take the help of this year's calendar. You will take help of calendar 2021, not 2020. You will take help of 2021 calendar. Okay. So now let's see the above questions. That questions also we will do with the help of August 2021 calendar. So let's see them. In your book, calendar of August 2020 is given there. Okay. Calendar of August 2020 is given there, but we will do it according to calendar of August 2021. So I have made it here. Okay. We will do this question based on this table, not on the previous year but this year. Okay, so see, this is the calendar of month August, year 2021, and days are given Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, and dates are given from 1 to 31 because there are 31 days in August. So this is the calendar of August month of year 2021. 2021 and we will do questions based on this calendar. So question is, on which day does this month end? So now we have to tell that on which day does the month end. We know the date. Okay, we know the date. Last date of this month is 31. Okay, last date of this month is 31. So on 31 it is which day? As you can see, this is Tuesday. Okay, on 31 it is Tuesday. So it means that on Tuesday this month ends. So we will write here Tuesday. Okay, because last date of this month is 31st and on 31st it is Tuesday. So therefore the day with which this month end will be Tuesday. Okay, next is write number of days in this month. Now we have to tell number of days that are in this month, total number of days. As we can see, 31 days. Okay, there are 31 days in this month. So we will write here 31 days. There are total 31 days in the month of August. So write number of days in this month. There are 31 days in the month of August. Next question is, what day is it on 13th August? So now we have to tell the day. Okay, the date is given to us 13th August. We have to tell that which day it was on 13th August. So let's see, let's first find out the date 13. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is your 13. Okay, we have to tell the day on this date. We have to tell the day on this day. So on 13th August it was Friday. Okay, it was Friday. So we will write here Friday. So it was Friday on 13th August. Next question is, what is the date on the second Saturday? Now we have to tell the date on second Saturday. Okay. On second Saturday, let's first find out second Saturday. So this is our Saturday. Okay, this is our Saturday. This is the first Saturday. 7th of August was the first Saturday, and 14th of August was the second Saturday. So we have to tell about the second Saturday. This is our second Saturday. Okay, second Saturday, and we have to tell the date. We have to tell the date on second Saturday. So it was, as you can see, on second Saturday it was 14th of August. So we will write here it was 14th August. So the date on second Saturday was 14th August. Next question is the 21st a Sunday? So we have to tell that is on 21st it was a Sunday or not. So let's find out. Let's find the date first. 21st. We have been asked for 21st. So let's find the date 21. This is 21. Okay, this is 21. So, is it a Sunday or not? We have to tell, is it a Sunday or not? So, as we can see, it is Saturday. On 21st, it was Saturday. So, no, it was not Sunday. Okay, so we will write here no. Okay, no for Sunday. No for Sunday. It is Saturday. Now, we will tell what is it? It is Saturday. First, we will write no. This no is for Sunday because we have been asked for Sunday. Is it a Sunday? So we said no. So then we have to the correct answer, that is it is a Saturday. Okay, on 21st it is Saturday. So no, it is a Saturday. Next question is, what is the day on 29th? Okay, so this question has two parts. First part is what is the day on 29th, and next is what will be the date on the same day next week. So let's first do the first part. What is the day on 29th? Let's find the date 29 first. This is 21 and this is about 29. Okay, this is 29. We have to tell the day on 29. Day on 29. So it is Sunday. As we can see, it is Sunday on 29. So we will write here Sunday. Okay, Sunday. So this is the answer of the first part. Okay, what is the day on 29? It is Sunday. So next I have done comma because I have to do we have to do the second part of this question also. So that's why I have placed a comma here. So second part is what will be the date on the same day next week. What will be the date? You have to tell the date on the same day but next week. Okay, after this week. Next week, same day. So if we will count, let's start counting. From after 31, it will be September. Okay, 1st of September. Next will come 1st September. Then it will come 2nd September. Then it will be 3rd September. Then 4th September. नेक्स्ट वीक में, उसमें हमें डेट बतानी है. So we have started writing the date of September from here because August is till 31 only. Then we have started September. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So next week on the same day, that is on Sunday, it is 5th of September. So we will write here 5th September. Okay, it is 5th September. So this is the answer of the second part. What is the day on 29th? The first part answer is Sunday. And second part, what will be the day on the same day next week? It will be 5th September. So the answer of the second part is 5th September. Next question is, how many Thursdays are there in this month? Now we have to tell the Thursday, number of Thursdays in this month. This month means we are talking about August. So in August, how many Thursdays are there? So let's count number of Thursdays. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is Thursday. This is Thursday. We have to count total number of days that comes in Thursday in this month. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We will count till August only in August. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 days. 4 days. So there are 4 Thursdays. Okay, how many Thursdays are there in this month? There are 4 Thursdays in this month. Now moving on to the next page, the true story of Petki Devi. So my timeline. My name is Petki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. Okay, she broke her foot when she was 5 years old. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. So she was married when she was 15 years. So my husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later, I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. Time passed very fast then. I was busy with my farm, housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. So, there is a woman named Petki Devi. She is telling her story. This is a true story of her. Okay, so this is her timeline. Next is some things that happened in her life are given below. Mark these on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Petki broke her foot. Okay, A is marked at 5 on the timeline. So here some of the things are given to you, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, you have to mark these things according to her age. That at what age, what happened to her. And timeline is also given below. Okay, different stages of her life. Her years are given here. You have to tell at what year, what happened with her. So at the age of 5, she broke her foot. So A is already written over here because A is broke her foot. And she broke her foot at the age of 5. So it is mentioned over here. So like that, you have to mention all of these things at the correct age. Okay, you can take help of the previous page where her story is given. Next is mark on the timeline when she was born. So you have to mark on the timeline when she was born. It was before 5 years. Okay, so it was before 5 years. So you will mark before 5. Next is in the blank box, draw a picture of Petki as a newborn baby. Make your own timeline, ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each of your life. Make timelines of people you admire. These can be from among your family, friends, teacher, etc. So this page is your homework. You will do this as a homework. First you will mark the timeline of Petki. Then at the bottom you have to mark your own timeline. Okay, at what year what happened with you. So if you want you can do this, but you have to do that Petki's lifetime. Okay, so this is your homework. You will do this in your book only. So that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.